Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making simple chocolate cake. This cake is very easy to put together. If today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you all how to make this simple chocolate cake. So guys, let's get right into the video. So firstly, I'm going to be sieving the flour. Guys, all ingredients are written in the description box, okay? So when I'm done sieving the flour, the next I went in with my cocoa, that is my chocolate. So I'm going to sieve this as well. So when I'm done with that, the next is to add in some sugar, then baking powder, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to mix all this together. So now that I'm done mixing everything together, the next is to add in my milk. Then after adding the milk, I will go in with melted butter. Guys, you can use vegetable oil if that's what you have, but I'm using melted butter. Then I went in with some hot water and some vanilla extract. So I'm going to mix everything together. So next I added 1 egg. After adding the egg, I'm going to mix everything together. Guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell icon, and also like this video and drop me a comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all. And please don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment. So now that I'm done mixing everything together, you can see how nice everything is looking. So I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil in my baking pan. Then I'm going to rub it all over just the way I'm doing in this video. So after I'm done greasing the pan, the next is to go in with our batter. Then we are going to be baking this for 180 for about 35 to 40 minutes, okay? And guys, look at that. Look how yummy this cake is looking. Moist, soft, and very delicious. And if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, okay? And also drop me a comment. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.